Our next project is very simple and easy. For this you just need some of the sketch pens and some of the colors. You just need to trace down the coconut tree like we have been making here. You can just pause the video so that you can clearly trace it down. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 11. All you just need is some of the practice of the drawing. Then you just need to fill it with some of the colors. We are now showing you the other activity. For this we are making use of again the modeling clay and some of the colorful sheets of the paper. See how many beautiful flowers we have created out of the modeling clay, and we have again created some beautiful honey bees with the help of the modeling clay. For this painting we may require some of the wax color. See how we are creating some of the stock of the beautiful plants that we are going to make with the help of the modeling clay, like we are adding some of the tiny little circular spots around the branches of these plants. This painting is very easy and is best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 8 to 9. At the end we are going to draw the honey bee again with the help of the modeling clay. We are adding some of the details with the help of the sketch marker. Let's try to make a flower bouquet. For this we are making use of the highlighter pen that's pink in color. See how we are creating these circles. Now with the help of the water and the paintbrush we are going to spread the color so that it will become more good and natural. After that we are going to make use of the tissue paper so that we can create the holding wrapper of the bouquet. This one is so easy and nice. Don't forget to place a bow at the end. Thank you.